Hey guys, I got some questions about how to solve 22 times 48 using standard algorithm. We learned 2-digit by 2-digit standard algorithm at the very end of our multiplication module. So I'm going to just go over how to solve that. We're going to use 22 times 48. So I want you to use this video to check your answer on the very last problem that I went over in my last video. Okay, 22 times 48 using standard algorithm. So the first step is very similar to 1 digit times 2 digit. We're going to actually just pretend that this 4 isn't here. So we're going to do 22 times 8 using regular standard algorithm. So really what I'm doing is I'm doing 22 times 8. 8 times 22. So I'm going to start with 8 times 2 is 16. So that's 6 ones, and I'm bundling my 10. So I'm going to add that 10 in later. Then I'm going to do 8 times 2 again, which is 16, plus 1 more is 17. So I'm going to write down 17. So 22 times 8 is 176. Now I'm going to pretend that this 8 isn't here, and I'm doing 40 times 22. So my next part, I'm doing 40 times 22. Now, because this is 44 tens, I'm going to take this 0 and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to now multiply as if it was 22 times 4. But this 0 here is holding the place value for the ones. It's like the happy zeros that we did when we multiplied a multiple of 10. So now I'm going to do 4 times 2 is 8. And I'm going to do again 4 times 2 is 8. Now, just like in partial products, I'm going to add this all together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 7 is 15. Then I'm going to bundle my 100. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So I get 1,056. Now, if you didn't get that when you solved, if you got something different, go back and check to see which step you missed or which step was confusing. Another way to solve would be to use a different strategy and see if you get the same answer. So you could go back and use the area model and see if you get 2 different answers when you solve. All right, always comment with any questions that you have if you're still confused, and I will respond.